What if I told you these perfectly stacked chips aren't sliced from potatoes like regular ones, but made from a secret potato dough? Yep, I'm talking about Pringles. Each can takes just 20 minutes from start to finish, and the way they're made will honestly surprise you. So grab your popcorn and settle in. Because today, we're going inside the Pringles factory from start to finish, all from the comfort of your home. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed. Let's get started. From potato fields to flakes, it all begins in the potato fields of the United States. Farmers harvest fresh potatoes, rinse, peel, and blanch them. The peeling happens in a rotating drum with abrasive surfaces. Think of it like giant sandpaper, gently scrubbing the skin away. Then the potatoes are quickly boiled to soften them and stop any unwanted enzyme changes. Next, they're mashed, dried on massive rotating drums, and milled into potato flakes. These flakes are the foundation of the Pringles secret dough. Creating the secret dough, the flakes are blended with corn flour, rice flour, wheat starch, a touch of oil, water, salt, and maltodextrin. This mixture forms a thick but pourable paste, thicker than pancake batter, and that is the unique potato dough that makes Pringles unlike any other chip. Rolling and cutting dough balls. The dough travels along a conveyor belt towards a 4-ton roller. It presses the dough into a paper-thin sheet, which is about 1 millimeter thick. Then oval shapes called dough balls are punched out, and the remaining extra scraps go right back into the mix. Nothing wasted. The signature saddle shape. Each dough ball slides into a mold, giving it that iconic saddle-like curve. This shape isn't just for looks. It's the reason Pringles stack so perfectly, and why they stay crisp without breaking during shipping. Frying and oil removal. The shaped crisps are dipped into hot oil around 390 degrees Fahrenheit for just 15 seconds. Because they're so thin, frying is quick and efficient. Right after hot air blowers remove the excess oil, leaving each chip light and perfectly crisp. Seasoning and flavoring Pringles uses a waterfall seasoning system. Powder rains down on only one side of the chip. When they're stacked, that seasoning rubs onto the chip below, so every bite is flavorful. In fact, the factory uses more than 5,900 pounds of seasoning powders every single day. And here's a fun fact. Fact number 1, Frederick Bauer is the man who invented the Pringles can. Was so proud of his creation that when he passed away, his family actually placed part of his ashes inside a Pringles can before burying him. Fact number 2, the frying machine that gives Pringles their perfect crisp. It was designed by Gene Wolfe, who later became a famous science fiction author. Yes, one of the minds behind your favorite chips also wrote epic sci-fi stories. That's all how Pringles are made. If this behind-the-scenes process gave you a new snack respect, hit like and subscribe. We bring you satisfying factory secrets from across America every week. Don't miss the next one.